So good morning guys. Today we are going to apply thermal paste on the processor of this MSI gaming laptop. As you can see here, the model number of this laptop is GP73 Leopard 8RE, and as it's a gaming laptop, I purchased it back in the year 2018, and it's almost 6 to 7 years old. My bad, it's 6 to 7 years old. And this is just a skin, laptop skin, which I have applied a couple of years ago. So, and I'm facing overheating issues in this laptop since a couple of months. So I have ordered this thermal paste from Flipkart. It came with very good packaging over here, as you can see, and all I'm gonna do is remove the packaging and show you what I got. Yeah, so it comes with injection filled inside. So it's written over here, thermal grease. It's a thermal grease. It comes with 5 years of warranty as well. And let me put this aside, and I've already opened up all the screws of my laptop. Here are the screws. What I'm gonna do is just open up the back lid, and yeah, I have opened this like 3 years ago as well, and after 3 long years I'm opening this device again. So what I'm gonna do is remove the screws. Heatsink needs to be removed before we apply the thermal paste. I don't think these screws are gonna come off. We just have to loosen it up. Couple of screws over here as well. We have to keep all the screws separately because they are of different shape, and if we mess it up, we mix it up, it's not gonna fit properly. So keep that in mind. Don't mix all the screws you take out from your laptop. It's very easy process, but as we are not expert, it will take some time, I guess. A couple of more screws to be removed, I guess. Couple of more screws. All the screws needs to be fitted back there. These screws are still there. One more important thing is make sure you have this tool with you. It's very small. I don't think you can see, guys. It's very small over here. And don't try to fit in. If it doesn't fit, don't force it to fit, or you can end up damaging your screws and everything all. Where it's getting stuck, I don't know. Couple of more screws, I guess. Oh, I guess we need to remove this thing. Yeah, it's coming off. Very tight. Some kind of screws, I guess, I'm missing. Let me check. I've never opened this before, so it's pretty stuck over here. There must be some screws which I'm missing. I think there must be some other screws which is stuck over here. Let me check it upside down. I don't think any screws are over here. Let me flip it back. I actually never opened this thing before. The vents are pretty tied to something, I guess, and I'm not going to force it. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. I don't know how I'm gonna open that thing, as it has one screw over there. I can see it now. It's right here. This motherfucking screw. So we have opened this thing. It's off. It came off actually. Pretty easy. Remember, don't go hard on your device. It's all delicate parts. As you can see here, all the dust. And the thermal paste which came with the company fitting already dried up. As you can see here, all the paste have already dried up. What I'm gonna do is take a tissue paper, clean it all. Look at this, it's all dried up, and that's why it cannot transfer the heat through the vents outside. Clean it properly. The brush which I'm using is actually a toothbrush. It's the ultra soft toothbrush. You can use the one which is made for all this cleaning stuff. I forgot to buy that from the market actually, so I'm using this, my old toothbrush. And you have to clean it very gently. Make sure you don't break any of the wires inside or make scratches on any of the You should actually remove the battery first of all, but I guess I don't need to remove my battery. But it's advisable to remove your battery whenever you are opening your laptop, because if you are sitting somewhere which is dry or humid place, your battery can it can damage from inside, or it's very risky that sometimes it may explode as well. It's all cleaned up, I guess. Now what I'm gonna do is clean the fans properly. You have to clean it very gently. Let me see if I can remove the fans. There is no screws over here, so I don't think I can remove the fans from inside. Let me clean it from outside only. You just have to hold the fan, hold it like this, and then clean it. Make sure your fans are not moving when you are using brush on it, otherwise it may harm your motor of the fan. All the dust coming out. Gently move it. Hell lot of dust is stuck inside my laptop fan. I actually forgot to take a screenshot of my GPU performance before cleaning this thing. You should actually use a blower, and my blower was overheated a couple of days ago when I was taking care of my one of the speaker. I guess this one is fine now. You can see the vents over here. Both the side. One fan is all cleaned up. Time for the second one. Make sure you use mask while you're cleaning this thing, because all the particles can go inside your nose. It's smelling very bad actually. I don't think if you guys can see, but a lot of dust is coming out. it's completely out of dust. So now what I'm gonna do is take some tissue paper and clean my all the inside attachments of the laptop. Look at this. All the dust particles are stuck inside. You just have to make sure the tissue paper particles does not get stuck inside the laptop, because it can create mess later on. So just gently use the tissue. Tissue should be dried one, not the wet wipes. Yeah, time for the actual heat sinks to be cleaned up. Look at this. This one goes over GPU over there. All the thermal paste, we can also call it a thermal grease. It's dried up. So what I'm gonna do is just clean it gently. Take the entire grease out. Take some more tissue paper and clean the CPU and GPU. Look at this, it's all dried up. You have to clean all the sides properly, because if the old one is still there, new ones cannot take the place. You make sure you don't use any brush on this processors and GPUs, because it may catch the scratches on top of that. And you don't want that scratches on your CPU and GPU on a heavy machine. I know it cost a hell lot of money. It looks clean now. A little bit more. So finally we are on the final stage. What I'm gonna do is open the tip of this injection looking thing, and what I'm gonna do is apply a little bit on this side. Over here as well. And we're done. We are done. If you want, you can spread this thing as well, but for that you need some plastic kind of material. Let me see if I can find one. I don't think I have such kind of thing with me right now. This moment. No, I don't have any plastic kind of thing at this moment. I'm gonna use a matchbox to spread that a little bit. Let's fix this thing back. While fixing, make sure you guys don't spoil the thermal grease which you just applied. Constantly keep an eye on the thermal grease and make sure any of the thermal sink part touches the grease. It's very small and it's difficult to fit that back inside the slot. Just have to do it gently, that's why I'm taking a lot of time. And here we're done. We are done. You just have to put it properly and make sure it fits well before you tighten up the screws. Apply all the screws back there. As I said earlier, make sure you remember which screws goes in which part of the hole. You have to do all the things very patiently. I have applied 3 screws already, and this one is the 4th one. So the CPU is all set up. Over here it's a GPU, graphical processing unit, and in mostly all the gaming units you will find two ventilation fans. Something wrong with this. It's a very tiring thing, I guess. Vents are all set up. one more thing I would say to you guys is just try to get a magnetic screwdriver. This thing, as you can see, the screws are going to stick to the screwdriver, and you won't face any issues falling your screw inside the laptop anywhere. We are all done. This thing came up when we opened the screen like a couple of minutes ago. So it's done. It's all done. So our device is ready, guys. As you can see, all the screws are back inside their holes, and we have cleaned the laptop fans, and we have applied the thermal grease, this one. And sometimes you should remove your RAM and speakers and HDD and clean it that, but I don't think I need to remove that as of now, and we're all done. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Just like and subscribe please. Thank you.